Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete duplicate photos on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, you have just to go to Photos and after that, go to Collections. And because I don't have any duplicate photos now, so normally you will find the option to delete the duplicate photos in Utilities here. If you have duplicate photo, you will find an option called duplicate photo here, and by clicking on it, it will show you the duplicate photo and you can merge them and delete the duplicated pictures from your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the